Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I want to talk about a stock called Caterpillar. It's a very popular stock. It performs above the industry average. The company has strong global presence with operations in more than 190 countries. Caterpillar's market capitalization is approximately $115 billion and is considered a large cap stock, of course. Caterpillar produces engines, tractors. It has a wide variety of products, which helps to mitigate risks associated with being too focused. It's very diversified. A strong balance sheet, and it's been able to maintain a solid financial position throughout all types of economic situations. Caterpillar has a strong focus on sustainability and has a set of ambitious goals related to reducing the environmental footprint, and promoting social responsibility. I guess it's a woke company. Anyway, I like Caterpillar, and it's currently undervalued. Earnings are forecast to grow 8.27% this next year. Let's take a look at Caterpillar a little more in depth. Before we do, I want to remind you that the Stock Planner channel is an education channel. I'm a swing trader looking for tops and bottoms or swings and trying to capture the trend in between. The recommendations or suggestions are merely what I'm doing. You need to develop your own strategy, learn it, practice it, paper trade it, and learn to win. In other words, do your own due diligence and don't rely on somebody else, especially somebody from the internet. Now let's get started. On Deere, on the daily time frame, looking at the zigzag indicator, which does look to the future, but right now it has all the information it needs to paint a downward trend. When the zigzag doesn't know what it's doing, in other words, it doesn't have enough data to paint this line, that's when I like to take action. That means start looking for a reversal. This is the zero lag MACD, and it's pointing down. Likewise for the stochastics, and the RSI is in its oversold situation below the 30, and that's when I like to look for a reversal. When I see a long candle like that, I start getting excited. I think it's going to reverse, but who knows? The reason for that long candle is, we had a sell-off last 2 days, and the article here is blaming the Fed. But this looks like a potential candidate for a reversal, but this is not the stock I want to trade. I want to trade Caterpillar, which is a similar industrial stock like John Deere. And you see the same situation, downward trend. Will it reverse soon? The MACD is below the zero line. I like that. Stochastic is pointing down, not quite in its oversold condition, but the RSI, of course, is in its oversold condition. And if you place a long trade at this point here and have it touch your potential support and resistance lines, this is a resistance or support, and support. And we want to move that line down just a little bit. And it's right on that top. And the risk reward is about 1.5. In other words, I'm risking $1 to make $1.50. And this way, all I need to do is win 2 out of 5 and still have a profitable system. Looking at a tool called Options AI for the expected move. In other words, what options are predicting that CAT will move in the next 2 or 3 months. And there it is, 3 months. And 3 months puts it out in May sometime, 9.6. And let's see if we can put something together around 7% between these two numbers. Looking at a free tool called Option Strat, and you key in Caterpillar, and I chose about 3 months out. And we want to go long, thus the bull put spread. You can choose various different type of strategies here. And a bull put spread is a long strategy, as you can see. And the green is here. Choosing around 7%, being conservative. Remember, Option AI said it would go about between 6 and 9. If it gets to the 7%, this is our win line here, with the potential of, at expiration, of $580 or $560 right there. And you get this $560 in your pocket right now, but you might have to give some back. If you take an early profit of $209, you're going to have to give around $300 back. Now, I like to trade it at a risk of about $500 per block. And so in this case, I'm risking about $400, $440 with the potential to make $560. Currently at 226, which is right about here. And so this stock has to move up. The stock has to move up for a win. Now, I'm betting that a reversal, what happens in a reversal is that when you have a long candle or some bad days, it's going to reverse back, especially for good stocks. Good stocks revert to the mean. What do you think? Is this stock going down more, or will it go up? Please like and subscribe and make a comment on this strategy. And don't forget to check out our free Discord with some watch lists out there. These are all the stocks I'm trading, and these are all the trending, no trend, strong trend. And we have a watch list out there using the 3 indicators that I've talked about, RSI, stochastics, and the MACD. Check these out for yourself. Remember, you must use your own trading strategy. Never rely on singles. They just don't work. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.